Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, something that could absolutely transform the way you work, grow, and even trade online. We're talking about Taskey.pro, your ultimate all-in-one platform for unlocking your full potential. Have you ever wished you could earn extra income, effortlessly boost your brand's presence, or confidently step into the world of crypto trading, all from one powerful place? Well, Taskey.pro is here to make that a reality. It's designed to give you both financial freedom and incredible digital leverage. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, let's talk about earning. Taskey.pro is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to make money online. First off, we have their micro jobs and freelancing section. Your personal earning engine. Need some quick cash? Dive into micro jobs. These are simple, short tasks like data entry, quick surveys, content moderation, or small research projects. You can literally turn your spare time into real income instantly. But it doesn't stop there. If you're looking for bigger opportunities, you can scale up with their freelancing options. Taskey.pro connects you with longer, high-value projects that perfectly match your skills. Whether you're a talented writer, a creative designer, a skilled developer, or a savvy marketer, you'll find clients ready to hire. The best part? Flexibility is guaranteed. Work when you want, where you want. Say goodbye to rigid schedules and hello to pure work freedom. Now, beyond earning, imagine massively amplifying your online influence. Taskey.pro's social media, growth and posting tools are here to make you an online powerhouse. Their rapid growth tools can skyrocket your social media presence, helping you automate engagement and gain genuine followers, likes, and shares, dramatically increasing your post reach. You can manage all your social media accounts from a single dashboard, schedule posts, analyze performance, and ensure consistent brand visibility across all platforms. Whether you're a business or an individual, Taskey.pro provides the fuel for your digital authority. Become the influencer you always knew you could be. And for those of you intrigued by the future of finance, Taskey.pro also offers P2P Crypto Trading and monetization. This is where you can trade smartly and securely. Buy and sell major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more, directly with other verified users. Enjoy fast, trustless, and secure transactions thanks to their built-in escrow service. Plus, explore advanced options to put your digital assets to work and generate passive income. You're always in control of your funds and trades. Taskey.pro is truly the trusted bridge between you and the global crypto market. So, why choose Taskey.pro? It's an all-in-one solution for working, growing, and trading. They prioritize security with robust features for all your transactions and data. You'll love the low fees and fast payouts, meaning you keep more of what you earn. And it's incredibly user-friendly, designed for beginners and experts alike. Stop scrolling and start earning. Visit Taskey.pro today and take control of your financial future. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.